Welcome back. Our next guest, UCLA-trained surgeon Dr. David Alessi, is one of the world's foremost authorities on facial plastic surgery. He's been featured on the Discovery Health Channel 2020, Larry King Live, Los Angeles Times, and many, many other media outlets. But he is here today to speak out against frivolous cosmetic surgery and those performing it. What a pleasure to see you, Dr. Alessi. How are you?
Very good. Thank you very much for having me.
And you're going to meet the lovely Anne-Marie in a moment. We'll explain her connection to all of this. But Dr. Alessi, let's talk to you about this. You're a plastic surgeon, yet you're talking about being against excessive plastic surgery.
Absolutely. I'm not against surgery, obviously, because that's how I make my living, and surgery is really good for many reasons. On the other hand, what we see nowadays, a lot of the trend towards having plastic surgery for reasons that really aren't clear. For example, classic example would be someone who's overweight, who may have, who goes in for liposuction alone without trying to take care of themselves from the inside.
Okay.
Or somebody who has psychological problems who wants to have plastic surgery because they think it might correct their depression or other problems in their life without actually focusing in what's really wrong with the person inside.
Why do you think this is happening? And do you actually turn people away if they come back too often or come for the wrong reasons?
Absolutely. When somebody comes into my office, or actually any ethical plastic surgeon's office, one of the things they do is they don't come in for surgery, they actually come in for a consultation.
Okay.
As part of that consultation, we need to look at that person, not only what their cosmetic complaints may be, but also what the issues psychologically may be.
Okay.
For example, I had somebody last week who came in who was discussing who wanted to have a nose surgery, and they actually had very minimal flaws with regards to their nose, but they had so many other deformities and other problems going on that it was just they were focusing on something that really wasn't the main problem.
Right.
And so that consultation turned out to be more of a psychological consultation, and that patient got turned down for surgery, as opposed to somebody who comes in and says, well, maybe I have a little bump in my nose, I'd like to have that fixed, and everything else is really healthy in their life. That would be a good person for plastic surgery.
So you say that there are actually topical things we can do, and then there's also things we can do from the inside. I'm assuming you mean not only maybe therapy, but also adjusting your diet.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's talk about the products, because as women, Anne-Marie, you and I both know, we have cabinets full of stuff, little pots and creams and lotions and potions. How do we know which ones work?
You need to look at it carefully, and one of the main mantras, especially behind what we do, is lose the hype and gain the science. We all know that there's such clever ads regarding cosmeceuticals, as we call them, creams that are supposed to help with the aging process, and there's just so much hype regarding that. You have to actually look at each product carefully.
But do cosmeceuticals, as you say, do they actually work, Doctor? Be honest with me.
Yes, I want to know that.
We want to know.
Yeah, we want to know.
Some of them do, and I'm a biochemist by training, and so I actually love research. I love scientific research, both clinical and bench science, and you actually have to look at products that actually have undergone scrutiny or scientific research, but they actually have double-blinded controlled studies or actually have scientific studies showing their benefits, and there are a lot of cosmeceuticals that actually do have science behind them.
And you say that your line does.
Absolutely.
Can you quickly tell us, because we want to get to Anne-Marie's part of the story, your products do what?
Sure. My products came about because I'm a biochemist by background, and so I looked at ingredients that were in a lot of cosmetic creams as to which ones actually had science behind them, and there weren't really that many products that actually had that in that. So we developed our own line where we actually have things with the antioxidants that work. Just because you have an antioxidant in it doesn't mean it's going to get down to the layers of the skin that need to be treated. Okay. They also have gentle peeling agents in them and skin clarifiers and things like that, but all of them have had scientific studies that show they actually do work both in the lab as well as in patients.
Okay, so the brave and bold Anne-Marie has come today because she, without a stitch of makeup on, and I just want to say wearing little lip gloss is about the only thing she's got on, and you're actually going to try this process, and you're going to work with Dr. Alessi for the next 6 weeks. Is that correct? Yes. And she's not only going to try your products, but she's also going to sort of change her diet. Is that true, Doctor?
Going to change her diets, exactly. The things that we need to do is keep her away from sugars and processed foods. Things that are high in antioxidants are going to be great for her also.
All right. Well, what is your goal, Anne-Marie, real quick? You want to...
I am very excited to try the product because I want to get rid of the slight discoloration in my face.
You're gorgeous. What are you talking about, that?
Well, I use tons of sunblock, but yet I still have like redness in certain spots, and you know, starting to get slight crow's feet. So I just want to do preventative so I never have to see him in the surgery room.
Well, there you go, and that's the key. What we're going to do then is have you come back in 6 weeks, and we'll reveal what the results are, and we'll see how you feel about the results as well. If you want to get in touch with Dr. Alessi or maybe follow Anne-Marie's progress on his website, you can log on to our website, ktla.com. This is going to be fun. So we'll see you both in 6 weeks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Good luck, okay? We'll see you back here in a bit.